Welcome again to India Edu tutorials. We are discussing with permutations and combination. In our earlier classes, we have discussed about different types of permutation with examples. Then we moved to combination with some examples. Today, moving further, we would be discussing some complex examples on combination. The question here says that out of 5 mathematicians and 7 engineers, a committee of 2 mathematicians and 3 engineers is to be formed. In how many ways can this be done? If any mathematician and engineer can be included. B. One particular engineer must be in the committee. C. Two particular mathematicians cannot be in the committee. Here M and E represents mathematician and engineer respectively. Now it is given in the question that mathematicians are total 5 and out of these 5 we need to choose any 2 mathematicians. And total engineers are 7 over here, and out of these 7 we need to choose any 3 engineers. Now going back to the first part, which says any mathematician and engineer can be selected. This means this is a normal case where we can select any mathematician and any engineer. It is given in the question that out of 5 we need to select 2 and out of 7 we need to select 3. This gives us the formula 5C2 into 7C3. Solving this we get factorial 5 divided by factorial 2 into factorial 3 into factorial 7 divided by factorial 3 into factorial 4. On solving all these, you will get 350 as the answer. Part B. Over here, the question says one particular engineer must be in the committee. Now, as we need to include one particular engineer, that means out of this 7, remaining engineers would be 6, and out of these 3 we need to select only 2 because one has already been included. So here our formula becomes 5C2 into 6C2 because one is already included in the committee. So we are left with 6 total engineers from whom we need to select, and we need to select 2 engineers over here. This gives us factorial 5 divided by factorial 2 into factorial 3 into factorial 6 upon factorial 2 into factorial 4. Solve this and the answer will be 150. Part C. In this question, 2 particular mathematicians cannot be in the committee. Now, especially 2 mathematicians, we need to exclude them. We are having total 5 mathematicians, and out of this 5, 2 needs to be excluded. That is, we are now with 3 mathematicians only, and out of these 3 we need to choose any 2. So our formula here becomes 3C2 into 7C3, which gives us factorial 3 upon factorial 2 into factorial 1 into factorial 7 divided by factorial 3 into factorial 4. Solve this and you will get 105 as the answer. I have already solved all these equations over here. You need to solve to get the answer. Now let's understand next example. Next example is 3 marbles are drawn at random from a bag containing 3 red and 5 white marbles. Answer the following. How many different draws are there? B. How many different draws which contain only red marble? C. How many different draws which contain 1 red and 2 white marbles? Now it is given in the question total red marbles with us are 3 and total white marbles are 5. Now let's solve its different parts. Part A. How many different draws are there? This is a simple combination question where we need to pick up any 3 marbles from this red and white marble. So total marbles with us are 3 plus 5, 8. and out of these 8 we need to select any 3 marbles, which gives us 8C3, which is equal to factorial 8 upon factorial 3 into factorial 5. Solve this and you will get 56 as the answer. Part B. How many different drawers would contain only red marbles? Now we need to select only red marbles. So total red marbles with us are 3, and out of these 3 we need to select 3 marbles. This gave us 3C3. So our formula becomes factorial 3 divided by factorial 3 into factorial 0, which is equal to factorial 3 upon factorial 3. Cancel them and you will get 1 as the answer. Part C. How many different drawers would contain 1 red and 2 white marbles? Now we need to select 1 from these 3 red marbles and any 2 white marbles from these 5 white marbles. So our formula becomes 3C1, because out of 3 red, 1 red marble needs to be selected, into 5C2, because out of 5 white marbles we need to select any 2 white marbles. Expand this, you will get factorial 3 upon factorial 1 to factorial 2 into factorial 5 upon factorial 2 into factorial 3. Solve this and you will get 30 as the answer. I hope the questions on permutation and combinations are clear to you. For more tutorials and practice questions, you can log into indiaedu.com.